What's up, Cornbread?
I need you again, big dog. Let me use the washroom real quick.
Hell no, you ain't finna sit your nasty ass on my toilet.
Smokey, please. I'm about to shit on myself, man. I never deny you. Every time you need something from the store, don't I go?
And I gotta pay you every goddamn time you go too, don't I? You out of luck, shitty man.
Oh, it's hell. It's too late now anyway. Thanks a lot, Smokey. At least pass me some tissue.
None here. I need you to go to the store and get me some.
Kiss my ass. Go steal some.